right, I got another upgrade for the boom Vader. I'm gonna be replacing the levers, clutch and brake lever. These are shorties, so these are a little bit shorter than the stock ones, but these are also adjustable. You can bring them how far you want or how close to your fingers. But I'll show you a step-by-step on how to remove it so you can put these new ones on. Step 1, first take off the nuts right here. This is on the clutch side, or on the brake, front brake. But there's a nut right here. I'm guessing that's a 10 millimeter. And also take off the nut on the clutch side, also right here, also a 10 millimeter. Next, just pop this bolt up. Just push it from the bottom. And that's one. We're pretty much gonna be reusing these bolts, so don't throw them away. And then this, if you want to put the new one back on, pretty straightforward. Slide that in there. Put the bolt in. And then put the nut that you took off from this one. This one has a flat head, so I just use a flat head to take it off. Bring the cable all the way in, screw it all the way in. So now you have more slack. There's a groove right here, there's a groove right here, and there's a groove right here for the cable. So when you do take it out, it's a lot easier to take out. And then from here, since it's still attached to the cable, just push it, put it in this position, and then from here you can see there's another groove. Just take it out. I'm having a little issue where once I pull in the clutch, it's stuck. It stays stuck in there. It's supposed to snap right back. I think it's because this right here in between is way too tight. So what I think I will do is grind some of it off on the lever, so that way it has more of a, it has more space, and so that way it'll just retract. See the side or the thickness? The skinny one right here to my right is a stock one. I have to shave off a little bit just so I can get this new one to work. So I grinded some off, and I'm gonna see if it fits in there. This is the top part. I'm gonna erase this. This is just white marker, but I grinded pieces off the bottoms just so obviously you don't see it. Now you can see the difference. Now it actually comes back, and that's without the bolt. So now all I have to do is just put the bolt back in there, and that should be it for this video. That's what it looks like after I got the levers on there. just little red accents just to match the gear shift lever.